Hi all, welcome to NAR Studio. Today we will see a Valentine's Day gift idea. For this I have rolled the clay into a sheet. I'm going to use heart shape cutters right from big one to small one. I'm just going to cut 4 like this. Remove it and then smoothen the edges like this for all the hearts. These are ready. I'll be using these letter impressions. Before that we'll put holes in it so that the threads can pass through, bigger ones. These letters, punching thing is used in cake decorating also. You can use it here or you can write it by your own also, like paint it and write it in freehand if you're good at that. Here I'm just using this just to give a dimension. Before doing this, have a rough clay, punch on that and see whether you have arranged correctly and then do it. Here I have given us love you to the moon and back. Once dried, I'm just going to use white, red and gold. Okay, white I'll be using it for one heart. The remaining will be all in red. You can use 2 hearts as white also. It's your wish of color combination. Okay, I'm just giving red color, coloring all the parts. Like I'll be highlighting the letters with the gold color. I'll tell you how to do that. I'm done. Now I'm just giving like dots on 2 of the stars with white. Also use straight lines, crossed lines also on white. Just tape it, give a coat of white and then remove all the tapes. You can do like that also. White I'm just giving gold dots, just different, or you can give red dots also. Next for the gold, just dilute the gold with a little bit of water. Have a drop, leave a drop on the top of those letters. Okay, it will spread automatically. Just do like that, it will be more easy. Or if you have a very fine brush, just highlight it inside. It's done, let it dry. I'm just using these piping cords. These are used for piping for your blouses or salwas. This gives a bigger volume, so I'm just using this as a thread for base heart. I'm just going to put it like this, so that this will be the base heart. You can put a bead on top of it, don't tighten too much. But the other hearts I have just put only one string and a small knot on the starting. To seal it I'm just using Fevicol, or you can put a bead also, a gold color bead or white bead or any bead, and hang it up like this. I'm just going to arrange in 2 to 3 ways and see, and then I'll show you and then I'll arrange it like this. In sideways you can hang it, or you can remove this heart and hang only these two, or this side. Once you're done with the design, just wrap with the thread and then secure it. Cut the excess threads. Okay, I'll show you how I done. This is how it will be. I have chosen to hang it up like this. To secure the hearts, I have just sticked the threads on back of the first heart. Okay, like this. I just left the second one and third one I've just secured it little bit. Why I have done like this is it doesn't look clumsy when you hang it, so only. If you don't want to do this, just leave it. This is the finished one. Hope you all like my project. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.